Hi guys, so for today's 1 minute review, I have the Snail Bee Ultimate Serum by Benton. Skin Elasticity Protection Serum with intensive nutrition and excellent absorption has two powerful ingredients, that is the snail secretion filtrate ferment filtrate for skin protection and nutrition supply, and bee venom for soothing your skin to the most. This also has tea tree leaves for acne fighting benefits and Camellia sinensis leaf water for additional soothing effect. Also containing niacinamide and adenosine provide additional brightening and wrinkle fighting benefits respectively. The product being transparent is moist and it applies smoothly. For application, after toning, dispense 3 to 4 drops onto clean hands and gently pat onto the face to absorb. Follow up with a moisturizer. It takes care of dull skin tone due to dry skin and blemishes and maintains skin balance by forming skin barrier while providing moisture by naturally derived ingredients. It is beneficial for all skin types and the pH is slightly acidic. The product in this glass bottle is also unscented, that is, free of chemical fragrance. After all this, let me give you a quick overview about this product. It works to repair skin, clear acne scars, and treat hyperpigmentation and also target breakouts. This product also held mild formula which is free of volatile alcohol PEGs, and it is also dermatology tested and cruelty free. Also available in two different sizes. You can get these all products which are newly launched only on Maccaron.in. See you soon. Bye.